So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you. So welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. So today we are doing a group discussion between a house owner and the cleaner. So she is.
So I am house owner and she is cleaner.
So okay. So I am starting. So let's begin. So do you want a? So good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So I listen that you are a house cleaner. So I want house cleaner.
Okay. So which type of work do you want to that I do in your home?
So I am doing business outside the city. So I need all the work that are available at home, like cleaning the floors, mopping floor, dusting, and also including the food. So how much do you cost?
Will cost you very high, and I think that you can't afford that. So you can like you can reduce so many things like brooming the floor, because you can do that. If you are not able to do that, so I can that in your home. It will all cost you around 200 rupees.
Okay, and yeah, I am agree with that, but I can't. I have not that much time that I clean the floor. So I need everything like cleaning floor, dusting, mopping the floor, and everything. So can you please give me discount and please give me cost around 200 rupees for everything?
Okay, so I think I am forgetting something. Let me remember something. Okay, so I forgot the conveyance charge because I live from very far from your city, so I need a conveyance charge also.
So as I told, I live in the middle of the Gwalior, like city center. So how much far do you live and what the cost of that and what the traveling charge? Can you please calculate and ask?
Let me calculate. It will all cost me 50 rupees for double sided, and it is a very minimum price. And you can check in the cities, the many types of moppers are taking 250 rupees only for mopping the floor in many at many houses, and I have seen that.
So yes, I am agree with that. Like you cost 50 rupees for both side traveling. Okay, I am agree with that. So at what time do you come?
So I come from 8 no 9 a.m. to 12 a.m.
No, that's not fair because as I told in my previous point, I have to go. I am doing business outside, so I have need work properly at 7. Can you please come 7 a.m. to 11 or 12 a.m.?
No, ma'am, it is not possible. The last timing is that I can come from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Oh, that's not fair. Can you please handle? Can you please come on 7 a.m. to 11 or 10 a.m.?
Okay, I will manage that. But there is a bad habit of me. Like I listen songs whenever I do work. So if you have any.
No, I have not any objection because as I told, I am doing business outside the city, so you have to work alone at home. My grandmother living at home, and she had no problem. You can listen the music when you are working.
Okay, so sometimes that it some situations are happened that sometimes we forgot to clean corners of the room. So you will not reduce my money, matlab means my salary. Like sometimes I have seen in many homes, most of the people reduce the money because the cleaner do not cleans the home very perfectly.
Okay, I have no problem. I remind you to clean the that much, and I can't reduce your money. And if you are not clean the side properly, so I can remind you. And for that, I sometime I need extra work for you. So how much cost do you price? And can you please work for the free for the extra work?
No, that's not possible because 250 is a very very low salary that I am taking from you. And if you will tell me to do more work, so it will cost you, like you said me to dust your full home. Like I dust the couches, chairs, podiums. If there any podium at your homes, means like the hardwares I dust.
Okay, you clean. I am agree with that you clean everything at my house every day. So okay. Can you please charge only 50 rupees for the extra work sometime, because I don't need extra work and anytime. Sometime 1 or 2 days in a month and or in a 2 months. So can you please agree with the 50 rupees for the extra charge?
Okay, so agree with you. So I want to say that I will come at your home 7 to 10 a.m. Yes, and what is included? Can you please tell me one more?
Yes, cleaning the floor, mopping floor, dusting the dishes, dusting, and also including the food. So, okay, you have to come tomorrow at 7 a.m. and 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So, that's all from us, and thank you. Please like, comment, share our video.